Oh great, guys, today we're gonna be blowing up all of these sticky bombs really soon.
No, I'm just gonna leave this area now.
Oh. Is this dude also
No.
a YouTuber? If he is, shout
No.
out. Shout out to him.
I destroyed
Oh
all of this.
my gosh. Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1.
No, what are you doing? No, don't,
Yeah.
don't.
Why
No, don't blow them up. We need to place more.
Okay. I blew those ones up back there, but
It's fine.
yeah, that's fine. We can finish doing this.
Wait, bro. Before we do it, like at least like get up like there so we can have a better view.
Yeah, we're gonna need to get up there, guys.
Okay,
Oh.
come on then.
Okay, hold on. Here we
We'll have to
go.
blow up them.
Okay, here, I'm coming up, dude.
Use fireworks.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Blow.
No, wait, you need to do it. Here, take this one.
Bro, what are you doing?
It did nothing. It did nothing. Ah!
Wait, bro, should we have like a throwing wall? Like who can like throw, like who can get the most hits?